Okay.
And what?
And then what?
And you get out. If it stops, then you set down the mat. Then my teacher said something else. Oh, we made a song. It's kind of rude. Wow. No, I don't look like that. Hey, what's up?
What did your teacher say?
It was kind of a party. And it was does it get the gum stuff? Hey! And you got any gum stuff on? Oh!
Hurry up, I'm waiting. What did your teacher say?
She said, either we see the wolf dog was holding that thing and in the pig, and if it rumbles, then you get down and hold and cover and hold. If it stops, and you can get out. And you can get out and sit down on the mat.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, my teacher said if you play and you go on the thinking chair.
If you play, you go on the thinking chair. Anything else?
Yeah.
What else did your teacher say?
My teacher said, let's play a song.
What song?
That. The bees. You'll bring the flower. Bring that. And you went like this. That's right. We need a big bag bowl. And you drink some water. Water. Not water. Well, I want to be safe. And we drink. My teacher said we had to do one more song.
Okay.
With the light shine. Whoa. With the light shine. Whoa. My teacher said we had to do the move. It's all to get out. You can get out. You stop on it. It tells you the move.
Finish?
Nah. I guess I'm gonna tell you something now.
Have you finished?
No.
What else did your teacher say? Huh?
Your teacher you have to dance with people who got no school tomorrow.